Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Are you clear my voice now?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Now it is fine.
Okay, fine. Um, yeah. See, if you comes to major and minor upgradations, if it's a minor upgradations like 8.0.02, 8.0.1, 8.0.2 is a minor. So the major means we are upgraded that versions from lower version to higher version, which is 8.0.02, 8.1 or 8.2, 8.3, 8.4. In this case, we we calculated that as a major upgradations. If you see now, I'm using the version is, if you want to see your version, if you open your Jira, you can able to see the version here, version 8.7.1. If I'm logging it, the same versions with the same complete information, so we can able to catch from Jira, sorry, admin console, system. In a system, so we have system info option is there. So if you go with system info option, so we can able to see all the options from here. Sorry, system info. So in a system info, we can able to capture all the details about that instant and which database we are using, where is the installation directory and application directory, and all the things we can able to see from in the system info. And in the system info, we can able to capture our version, current versions, and which version to which version we are upgraded from latest. The same information we can able to capture from here. Uptime 2 minutes 22 seconds and version 8.7.0 we are using now. And this is the server ID. And last upgraded
19/5/2020. So these some more updated details. So which version to which version are updated?
So the same information we have available here. So this is completely 7.1, 7.22. I upgraded these versions. So all information we can able to capture from this upgrade history. And so now the latest version is 8.8. Jira software version download. If you see,
So here, if you are if you are click on this software download option, we have 8 and
Jira Server latest release versions 8.8.0. 8.0.0. This enterprise license is the latest version 8.8.0. So I'm using 8.7.1. So I'll upgraded my version to 8.8.0. Okay, but pre-requirement first we need to decide version. Okay, first we are decided version to move 8.880. Okay, is done. Next, we need to check these version supported platforms. 8.88, these 0 versions we need to check. So how we need to check, like Jira 8.8 supported platforms. This is the second step. First, we need to decide versions, that upgraded versions we are decided. Then we need to check supported platforms. So okay, if you see here 8.7, 8.8, 8.654 something, in the sense like if you're upgraded 8.0.02, 8.0.1 or 8.0.2, we no need to upgrade any supported platform checking, because of all 8.0 version same supported platforms, all 8.1 is the same supported platforms. So when we are migrated to 8.0.0 to 8.0.1, the supported platforms are same. So in this case, this is called as a minor upgradations, and we no need to worry any supported platform issues. So when we comes to 8.0 to 8.1 or 2 or 3, we need to check the supported platforms, because of 8.0 to 8.1, the supported platforms might be different. So this is called as this upgradation is called as a major upgradations. I gave record permissions to all. Hello, record. Okay. So first we need to check supported platforms, like which supported platform it will be supported to our Jira. So Java version 8.8, I mean Java 8 version will be support, 11 version will be support. So I'm using 8 version, so it will be support if I upgrade. Suppose if I'm using 7 version or something, so we need to upgrade it. And next, which database will be support, and operating system as well, Linux, Microsoft Windows. I'm using in Windows, it will be support, it's fine. Next, Chrome latest version, so okay, it's fine. And PostgreSQL 9.6, 10, 11 only it will be support. But coming to 8.7, what I'm using 8.7, suppose if you see 8.7, in 8.7, so might be different, I mean operating system will be support here. See, like 6, 10, 11 will be support. This is might be some error is there. But coming to 8.8 versions is completely they change. So we need to upgrade that all supported platforms which is supported to 8.8 versions, and all like databases or Java or operating systems. Okay, and any H2 database, it is supported to always. So I'm using H2, so no need to worry about is a PostgreSQL issue. So the first steps, we need to check supported platforms, which supported platforms will be supported to latest versions. And here the latest version supported platforms versions, like release notes as well, we need to read it before that, and what they are released and why they are, and older versions not is there. And 8.8 sorry,
Sir,
yes.
in this now, in companies, as you told earlier, H2 database they won't be using, right?
Mm-hmm.
If the database is changing, means we have to change the database as well, right? Migration we need to do database also.
See man, this is a upgradations. Upgradation means only Jira
Ah,
upgraded from lower version to higher versions. Okay,
okay,
suppose 8.7 to 8.8 I'm migrating. Okay,
okay, yes.
so 8.7 might be different version will be support, database version. Suppose
Ha.
9.5 will be support. But coming
Mhm.
to suppose latest versions 8.8 might be
Ah,
some 9.6 will be support is a PostgreSQL. In this case, we need to upgrade that databases first. And in that, based
ah,
on your organization, you are the person to maintaining all, you have to upgrade Postgres, database as well. Or else in your organizations, if some different
ah,
persons are there to upgrade your databases, you just
ah.
inform to that persons and they will upgrade it.
Okay.
Okay.
No, what I'm asking is that, yeah, correct only, sir, what you told. But what I
Mm-hmm.
am asking is, if suppose from database
Mm-hmm.
PLSQL, right,
Mm-hmm.
PostgreSQL,
Mm-hmm.
to so another version only it will be changing, or whether it is possible that it won't support PLSQL anymore, like that also it will come when we
See,
upgrade.
if 8.7, which is supported databases, the same databases will be supported 8.8 version. There is no
Ah,
databases the PostgreSQL will supported to 8.7 and
ah.
PostgreSQL will not support to 8.8 version. It not like that. Only versions
Okay.
differences only. Versions that
Okay.
might be increased, only version difference. Okay, so which
Okay.
database is supported? We have all these versions here, PostgreSQL or Oracle or
Uh-huh.
MySQL or something, all will be supported.
But only versions will be different.
Versions will change.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, got
and
it. Got
some cases the versions also will be supported same. Now 8.7 or 8.8 version will be same. But suppose if you're trying to 8.0 to 8.8 upgrade, so it is a
it.
lots of versions between
Yeah.
that. So in this
Yes.
case, we need to upgrade the PostgreSQL or any databases must.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so but that is based on your current version and your target versions, upgraded version for latest. So between that, which is supported and which is not supported, we have to plan that. So I can't say now which is definitely supported, which is not definitely supported. But coming to your organization, if you are join any organizations,
Uh,
what they are using and from
mhm.
which version they are planning to upgrade. So you have to
Okay.
compare it. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
what Java version we are using now for current versions, what Java version will be supported to once we are upgraded the latest version. So we have to upgrade compatibility version of this target version,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
See, in this case, suppose if you are asking like numbers 8.7, I'm using PostgreSQL, but 8.8 PostgreSQL will not support. So in this case,
Yes.
you have to upgrade database as well. That time you have to upgrade and you have to migrate. So we are already discussing database migrations from H2 to PostgreSQL.
Yes.
So in this case, we need to migrate it from H2, I mean PostgreSQL to suppose any MySQL or something. So that is, if any situation will become, so we have some solutions to solve that. Okay.
Okay.
So as per your questions, if it is not support, we have to migrate database as well.
Oh,
Right.
fine.
Okay. So if
Thank you.
database completely will not support, we have to migrate it. If database is supported with version is not supported, we have to upgrade that versions.
Oh,
Okay. Yes, fine.
thank you.
And next thing is like 8.8 release version also we need to read it and what they are releasing, and we can able to see every release notes. If you see 8.8 release notes, like they are remapped audit log and dates and future sprint, and Jira loves accessibility and access data center future in server. These 4 options they are released, and those complete information we can able to see from here what they released. Advanced audit log option they are released, and they are released something dates of future sprint, date of future sprint they are releasing something, and we can able to schedule some futures, I mean scheduled sprint option we can able to do that, I think. And next thing is suppose some sprint release, they will they introduce some reports, and some Jira accessibility, so they released it some this type of things like 17 issues, some things, so they are released these options, and they resolve these bugs in older version. So if suppose 8.7 version, if I say, if I see any bugs, so if I raise Atlas and request, so they like resolve that all like bugs in this version. So what bugs they release, I mean they resolved in this version, and what they're
introducing here. So if you start to
supported plot, I mean that 8.8 release note, so we can able to see that what they are introducing and what bugs they are resolved, so we can able to capture from the same with the release notes. And this is supported platforms. These two we need to check first. So once this two is done, here we need to upgrade it all like supported platforms as compatibility of
our latest version. Suppose 8. Now suppose if I'm using Java 7 version, if I'm upgraded to 8.8, 8.8 is supported to 8 version or 11 version. In this case, I need to upgrade my Java version 8 or 11. Okay.
database as well. So everything we need to upgrade it, the versions compatibility of 8.8.0. Okay. So once we are check the supported platforms, we need to open Jira, and the next step we need to check plugin compatibilities versions. If you go with manage apps, see which plugins I'm using in 8.7.0. If you click on apps, manage apps, so this is what I'm using in my current instance. If you see here, and which plugins I'm using here, so the same I get it from here, and we need to check the plugins exactly is available in the latest version or not. See, I'm using 8.7.1. In the 8.7.1, I have these plugins I'm using.
But once I upgraded to latest version, these plugins are supported or not. So if some plugins is not supported and supported, suppose I'm using ScriptRunner.
ScriptRunner in a 8.8.0, the ScriptRunner will be not support. So in this case, if I'm upgrading, that all functionality works will be stopped. Okay, so my Jira is not working as we are expected. So in this case, we no need to migrate. So we need to migrate only supported plugins where my all plugin will be supported. In that version only, I need to upgrade it. So we need to plan this as well. So how to check these plugins is available in latest version or not? If you open this manage apps, if you see this all
plugins in the down, we
have Jira upgrade check. If you click on these options, we'll get this option like select versions. I am planning to upgrade 8.8.0. Check. Once you click on these check options, Incomfortable, Script Runner, Automation for Jira, Automation Lite for Jira. These three plugins is Incomfortable, which is these plugins is not available in 8.8 version. And Comfortable if upgrade. These four, if I'm upgrade these versions, it will be support. And these plugins are comfortabilities. These two is unknown. So which is not supported means suppose 8.0 is the unknown. So it means we can able to comfortabilities is fine. And comfortabilities if I'm upgrade also is fine. But this option you can see here, this is incomfortable. Incomfortable means like the Script Runner, they are not released in the latest versions. See, if you see the Script Runner plugin, and if I open this, I think this will be supported to 8.7.1 only still. And still they are not released 8.8 version because of see, if any Jira version is released, based on Jira versions, this plugin team also needs to upgrade their versions to compatibility of 8.8 versions. Okay, this since this Script Runner is not released, like I think this released is recently only. This 8.8 is released and recently only, so that's why they are not upgraded. But I think next week or something, so this version is they are released. Obviously, they are released a compatibility version of 8.8 as well. So this is main plugin, but will not get these problems in that future or something. And remember, in any organizations as well, they will not migrate it to latest version. So the latest version is 8.8.0. So any organization, they'll never go with latest version because of they don't know what that bugs are there in that latest version. So every time they will used before 6 months version, what I think if it is 8.8 before 6 months back, which version they are released Atlas and team like 8.4 or 8.5, they are upgraded that level only. So in the organizations level, if when you are attending interview as well, so which version you are using right now, if they ask that questions, you can tell before 8.5 version only, because of latest version the people's never use it. Okay, so if it is not comfortable this, so how we need to upgrade this? So if you directly upgrade this, it will be get some problem. So which is not comfortable this, we need to disable that. If you are disable that, so the while migrating it will not affect anything. So when this plugin is comfortable this, we can able to enable it in the 8.8 versions. But which is not comfortable this, if you are enable only with, if you put enable and if you are upgraded, you will get errors while upgrading. So you have to make sure if the plugin is not compatibilities, you have to disable that, and you have to plan your upgradations next. Okay, so first step to check supported platforms, and next step to check this plugin compatibilities. So once the plugin compatibility is done, take Jira backup and system. In a systems, we to take backup, go to system, and we have backup system. Just click on backup. You just give some name like 8.7 backup. I'll put it 8.7 backup. Just click on backup option. So you know this where it is stored. It will be stored in application program files, Atlassian application data, Jira export folder. So the same will be stored in my instant, the C like Jira and program files, Atlassian application data, Jira. So here in a export folder it will be stored. If you see here, it's not restored still. Okay, so the same stored in Jira export folder. So if I open this export folder, the same will be 8.7.2 8.7.0 backup zip is there. You just copy this and you just move to some secure place. Just copy this and move to some secure places in your system, so anywhere. But in export, already we are discussing when we are exported, only projects, project configurations, and user management like groups and users will be exported into this. But attachments, avatar, logos, plugins, so everything will be stored in different places. Like in data folder, attachment, avatar will be stored, and logos, the logos all will be stored here. And coming to next thing is plugins, all which I'm installing, that all plugins will be comes to here. So these all things, data, and what we are exported in from here, and the logos and plugins. So these 4 folders and dbconfig.xml file, this file also, this 5 we need to move to some secure places when you are planning to upgrade. Okay, so what the plugin, what we need to take backup: data, Jira backup, logos, plugins, and dbconfig file. So these 5 we need to move to some secure places. Okay, so once we move the secure places, we need to do Jira health check. Health check, how we need to check? Jira admin console, and go to here the troubleshoot and support, and here we need to check Jira health check. So health check means like if all it will be comes to this green right symbol, so then this work, I mean this Jira instant working fine. Okay, so if once the health check is done, we have to shut down Jira. Okay, so how we need to shut down Jira? Just go to here as well. So just shut down this Jira, and without stop Jira, you, if you are upgraded, and again you will hit problem. So each and every step we need to follow up carefully, step by step. Okay, so if you forget to stop Jira as well, if you are trying to upgrade, so you will get definitely sometimes error. Okay, so you have to shut down Jira definitely, and once the Jira is shut down, okay, once the Jira is shut down, you have to download latest version from site Jira software download, and just go to download versions, and you can select this latest version in the sense, and which which version you are planning to upgrade. Go to here and select your system Windows 64-bit and click on download. So once you click on this download, it will be accept to agree and just submit it. So when you click on the submit, it will be start to download here. Just go to here. I'll cancel it because of I'm already downloaded these versions recently, and I have that versions, like where it is. So 10 minutes only is there. Okay, this is 8.0.64. I downloaded already from there, and my Jira is stopped. Okay, my Jira is stopped. And once Jira is stopped, so what we need to do it here, and Jira is stopped, we have all backups, and we upgraded, we are checked all supported platforms, we are upgraded that supported platforms, and we need to check plugin compatibilities. Next we need to take backup, and we are moved to some secure places, all backups, and we are shut down that Jira, and we are downloaded the latest version. So once we are downloaded latest version, just click on it, click on right click, run as an administrator. So once you are run as an administrator, so this will not ask you. Okay, once you click on this Atlassian Jira, so it will ask accept to this symbol will become, this wizard process will be start, and from here it will ask that next option. So welcome to Jira software installation wizard. Yes, click on next. So here when we are installing first time, so we are always selecting custom install, but here we are already using Jira, we are planning to upgrade. So in this case we have to select this upgrade of existing Jira installations, and we need to select third option, and we need to make sure that existing Jira installation folder here. So where is my installation directory? If you comes to Jira, like see, like program files, Atlassian, this is my Jira installation directory. Okay, so this path I need to select must here. If you see here, program files, Atlassian, Jira. See program files. See, this is application Atlassian Jira, but this is not. I'm planning to upgrade this Jira. So I need to browse this. I have two Jiras, don't confuse it. So I'm planning to this program file Jira. So I need to select here that the program files and Atlassian Jira. Choose. Okay, make sure this is which Jira you are planning to upgrade. That Jira installation directory we need to select here up to Jira. Program files, Atlassian, Jira. Okay, so once we are selecting, once this existing installation directory we are selected, then click on next. Once we click on next, it will be asked you to take backup of Jira home directory. So it means like it will be when we are click on this Jira backup, it will be automatically take backup. Just click on yes. So checking local modification files. See what these modification files, I'll tell you what is a modification file will be created this. It will take some time. Okay. So here I found some modification files is none, removed files is none, added files also, bin Atlassian Jira .log files I added now. This will be comes to always because of every time that log files what is happening in Jira, so the same will be captured in Atlassian Jira. So this will becomes to default. But modified files sometimes it will become, suppose if you are increase JVM space. So yesterday we are discussing with using setenv file, we are able to increase our JVM. Still I have not increased, but when if you are increased anytime, the save will be comes to here you are modified setenv file or something. So that all modification files, if you are added any script backend or something, so all modification files and removed files and added files will be comes to here. So then click on next. So here it will ask like to run as a Jira health check, we are done. Check app compatibilities, we are done. Backup the database, done. So when these three steps are done, it will be ask re-verifications. So before upgraded, you have to check Jira health check and app compatibilities and backup databases. Backup databases means to take backup of the data or something. So we have completed the three steps. Yes, I have completed the three steps. Next, click on upgrade. So once you are click on upgraded, can you check here backing up the Jira installation directory? Hello. So when you selecting this upgrade option, it will be take existing installation backup and existing application data backup, and then it will be automatically install older version, then it will be install latest version. The step how it happening, backup installation, older version installations, older version installation.
Backup of older version installations. Next, backup of older version application data and the home backup. Application data backup. Then uninstall older version. Install latest version. This all step automatically happen. If you see here now, it is taking backup of Jira home directory. Now before it is taking installation directory, now taking the backup of home directory.
Once this home directory is backup is done, automatically uninstall, it will be comes to here, uninstall older version and it will be install latest version. Everything will be automatically step by step, it will be happen automatically. You can see here backing up the Jira home directory. I will send you this complete documentations. I prepared it. So through that you can follow up that each steps. And now this is a very, very important questions in a when you are attended interviews. If you attend 10 interviews, at least in a 9 interviews, they'll ask these questions. Are you good with upgradations? Can you tell me step by step how to upgrade it from lower version to higher versions? You have to tell each and every steps as it is. If you miss one steps, you will get problems and they'll not accept it. But because of if you miss one step, they'll ask you many questions in that steps only. Okay, so what like and like the way how I created the documentation, so how we are upgrading that each and every step by step, you have to tell that each and every step clearly. Oh, it's taking back.